In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we look at how police youth clubs across Manchester are serving the community by assisting the homeless and mentally challenged.
It's said if you're not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your time. It's why several police youth clubs across Manchester have made it their mission to give back to the homeless and mentally ill. The clubs fed over 40 homeless and mentally challenged people in Mandeville recently in the first of what's expected to become a monthly activity.
What motivates us is to go out there, see the persons lying down on the road, and then after handing them the packages, the bright smiles and how interactive they are with us, knowing that they have somebody to help us. We would like to do this more if we could get the right help and the right support from persons out there who can and is willing to help us.
Students from the Bishop Gibson High School for Girls in Mandeville also took part in the initiative.
When I was younger and more, immature, I used to think that the homeless, they're just homeless and they're no good. But through the Police Youth Club, I've learned that situations and circumstances are different, and it really is an enlightening experience.
For a holistic individual, it is good for our girls to participate in a community-based activity such as what the police are choosing to do today. And so we want our girls to learn how to be good citizens, to give back to society, and to care for those around them who might be less fortunate.
One of our aims is to cause the police youth club members to understand their role and function as young people, helping as the motto state to build a better Jamaica. We want them to learn volunteerism, giving back to society, and so this is one of those initiatives that we'll use to do so.
As the Manchester youth clubs continue to serve their community, a plea for assistance.
At the end of the day, we'll always ask for assistance from the wider society to partner with us and for us to feed more persons, maybe not just in Mandeville, but across the parish of Manchester.
What form could that assistance take? Can you deal with food today?
Right.
What else would you need?
So persons may contact us and offer us water, juice, rice, whatever it is that they have to give. Clothing that they no longer have use for, we will take those and we will package them and we'll let these persons on the street get the use of them.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.